Council Report number 1540, discussion. Representative Ward.
Speaker, I rise in strong support.
Strong support, please proceed.
Thank you, Speaker. Speaker, this bill appropriates funds for our International Space Center on the Big Island. Its purpose is to conduct an engineering study, and it's for an engineering study for a proposed laser ground station. Now, no one's ever heard about one of those before because there's never been one before, but they've chosen Hawaii, NASA has chosen Hawaii to build a $20 million ground station to basically do what the internet does with radio waves, which are very slow and are very, how would you say, conducive to interruption by clouds and other cosmic issues. The ground station will actually transmit up to 100 times faster and more data. Imagine that, Mr. Speaker. While you're watching YouTube, you can have just everything, instead of buffering, it'll be instant. Now that's for, not our purposes, it's for NASA to track its satellites, and like the internet, if it works in that government sector, it'll likely be passed off to the private sector. That means that this is going to create jobs. In fact, just to do this $20 million experiment, that this bill calls for us to put our fair share in, which is just a few $100,000, is to then become a $200 million investment on the point of NASA. The bottom line, Mr. Speaker, is that this is going to create jobs. It's an investment bill. It's a job creation bill. And quite frankly, it's part of the diversification of our economy from living off of our good looks to using our brains. And Mr. Speaker, this is a very inexpensive investment that NASA is going to pick up and run with as long as we pass this. And I make notice that the bill is to go into effect in 2050. By 2050, there'll be many, many nations ahead of us. So I think this is imperative for our economy and for the future of communications that we pass this post haste. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you very much,